How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let us get started. Open your TikTok app. From here, tap onto your inbox. Then go and long tap to any message that you would like to delete. But if you delete this will only delete it from your side. In order to do it from both sides, tap on the 3-bar icon and go to Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll below and tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Profile Page, tap on Others, and tap on No. Now tap on Need More Help. Now here, write your issue. Mention that you would like to delete your message from both the recipient and yourself. If you would like to add a screenshot, go ahead and tap and add it here. Once done, tap on Submit. And if your reasons are valid, you might be able to do so. Now wait for the message on your inbox on System Notifications. That is all we can do for today. If you have any question regarding this video, then do drop them down below. We will get back to you soon.